I think anti-wrinkle creams should be tested on ball sacks first.
Madam, you know what? I did. I tried it. I tried it on my scrotum. Okay, by the way, that's the proper terminology, okay? I tried it so you don't have to. You know what happened? I got a skin irritation, okay? I got redness, itching, and I couldn't sleep throughout the night. And madam, I even forgot that the cream that I use has salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and lactic acid. What do you think would happen, huh? You know why I experienced that, madam, huh? Here, let me take you over here. Okay, madam, so the scrotal skin has a thin epidermis compared to the facial skin, meaning that that cream that I applied down there, which has salicylic acid and glycolic acid, had been absorbed so quick that I got an irritation. And no, madam, I did not see any anti-aging effect on my scrotum, okay? I did not see any smoothening, and the wrinkles are still there as it should be. Madam, ha? Don't make things complicated, ha?